Hello everybody, this is my Hunter Model FL20 20-inch box fan, and in this video we'll provide some background information on this fan and have a detailed look at it. Now this fan includes the original box, which we'll take a look at here. It does have some watermarking on it, but it's otherwise in very decent condition. So here is the fan itself. We think that this fan was likely made in the mid-1960s, and while this particular fan was likely sold to a residential user, Hunter did sell similar units as over-the-door fly fans for businesses, much like Ilg did. Here's a picture of one that is still in place as of recently, that a friend of mine took with his phone. I do remember seeing fans like this at an old department store called Fedco and at a farmer's market store here in Oxnard, California. So with that, we'll now take a closer look at this fan. I hope that you enjoyed seeing an up-close look at this vintage Hunter. To see a full demonstration of this fan, please check out that video link here in the upper left-hand corner. Thank you for watching, and we will have more to come, so please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.